It's July, very hot weather, and the wife has been plagued by mosquitoes. There you go. So we've got the high colour rendering index Philips spotlights on, and you can see this unit, and it's kind of mushroom shaped. It's about £9, and yeah, I thought it was going to be much smaller. I was actually quite surprised how big the thing is physically when we got it. And I think what it is, it's got this ultraviolet LEDs. They claim to be ultraviolet, that's shining down onto this part here. I don't know whether it's supposed to simulate a very large flower or something, but who knows what insects can see. But nevertheless, it's quite interesting. An interesting thing. And what it is, it's got this grill here, and I think it's intended that the insects get attracted to the light, go down to here, and then underneath there, you might be able to hear it, you might not, but in there, you can see it going around now, is a fan. And I guess they get caught in the downdraft and then sucked into the container underneath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and out in the garden, we've got somewhere where it's absolutely teeming with mosquitoes at the moment, so it's going to be a really good test to see whether this thing can catch any mosquitoes or not. So without any further ado, I'm going to take this outside and stick it in Mosquito Central. The question is, what have we caught? Is there much in there? Can we see in there? Can you see anything going on in there? I can't see a mass of mosquitoes. There is some detritus in the base there. I wonder if they're still alive. I'm going to open it up and have a look. So, oh, there you go. Anyway, I'm going to take us away from telemacro now and go back to normal. So here we go. Ooh. There you go. So there you go. That's that. So that was our haul of insects captured by this thing. Nice basket actually. Quite a good moulding. If you think about the 4 sectors required to make these apertures in the side and underneath, it's actually quite clever. Quite cleverly done. And I'll just show you the underside of this thing briefly. You can see. Oh look, there's one stuck in there. Look. One stuck in there. Oop. Yeah, when you think about it, the fan is just above that part there, and these bugs have got to get through this grill as well. I'm not quite sure. That grill presumably is to stop them escaping when the power goes off, which is interesting. There's kind of a cobwebby type thing built up, as though a spider or something has crawled in and done something to it. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. The fan's inside there, and the insects get stuck down through that grill. Yeah, I'm just having a quick review of what I just said, and just realised I didn't tell you how it was powered. It's just got a USB Type A plug, 5 volts. Plug it in your computer, USB power supply, phone charger, or whatever's got 5 volts. So that's how the thing is powered. Yeah, I just forgot to mention that. So there you go. There you go. So the only source of light now is going to be, it's bleeding out the display a little bit actually, but never mind. So if I just press the measure, there you go. So that's what's coming out of that LED. So just turn the studio lights back on again, and then we'll get rid of this, and you can have a look at this in more detail. So if I zoom in on that now, you can see a really strong peak at there, which is, if that's 350, that's 412, so that's 62, so that's about, I'd say 380. And that 380 there, that UV they're calling it, is the same wavelength as Wood's glass. You remember in discotheques years ago, probably still today, you go there and all the fluorescent dye in your soap powder makes the whites shine, and you can see threads shining, and everyone looks gorgeous and brown. That's the 380 from Woods Glass. So that is only just in the UV range. Sunlight A and B would be down here somewhere below the 350 mark. So this is safe. This won't burn your eyes. It won't cause you suntan. Probably won't cause ionization of the skin. It's not an ionizing radiation. It's just what we call near UV. You can see it moves down into the blue. So this is the UV. So that's what the LED is giving out now. So you can see it's got a couple of peaks, but the main peak is clearly in the near UV around about 380 nanometers. I don't know what the Inspecs responses are, but you know, in bright sunlight, there's a couple of big peaks, UVA and UVB would be down here somewhere. So I just thought you'd find that interesting for anybody who's interested in light. Anyway, thanks for the watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Signing off.